Hello and welcome. My name is Cesar Abade, Project Manager for Remontech Inc. Remote Monitoring Technologies. Remontech is dedicated exclusively to the remote monitoring of construction projects, and I'm happy to demonstrate to you today the dynamic scheduling feature of Remontech's PhotoNet system. We start by selecting our project and clicking on Activity Data. On this page, we can enter each activity pertaining to this project. For example, Foundations has a duration of 23 days and has site demolition as a predecessor. As you enter each activity and you enter a list of predecessors, the system automatically generates successor tasks to that activity. So in this case here of Foundations, you have site demolition as a predecessor and structural steel erection and joist as a successor. Once all activities are loaded, we can now move on to the next screen. And the system is now ready to run the schedule. Here's the schedule generated by the PhotoNet system. On the left-hand side, you have each activity and when they're supposed to start and end. And the red activities are on the critical path. On the right-hand side, you have a histogram or monthly cumulative percentage of progress pertaining to the whole entire project. So you have from 0 to 100% on a month-by-month basis, where percentage-wise you're supposed to be in terms of completion for this project. So you can see that we started 0% in September of 2006, and we ended 100% in January of 2008. So now let's play back the video. In this case, I'm going to select camera 1 and 2, even though we had 3 cameras available on this project. Remontech came on board this project on November 16th, and as you can see, the project was already underway, as you can see in the diagram here. Now, on this diagram, the dark blue bars represent what actually took place in the project, as opposed to the light blue bars, which is the planned. So as you can see, the task of mobilization should have ended back here on October 21, and it's November 16th, and it's still taking place. On the other hand, the electrical rough-in, for example, started earlier. So here on the histogram of percentage of completion, the dark blue bars, when you compare it to the light blue bar, they're not very far behind. So let's play back the video now. As we play back this video, we're moving down this timeline. And you can see the dark blue bars growing as we do so. If at any point you see here on the right hand side that you're falling behind, you can immediately tell by looking at the schedule to see which activity is to blame. As a high-level reporting tool, PhotoNet is an extremely powerful tool. It shows a snapshot of the health of your project in a way that everyone can understand. For more information, you can visit us on the web at www.myconstructioncamera.com.